Gina, you're wearing sweatpants. It's Monday.
So?
So that's against the rules, and you can't sit with us.
Whatever.
You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us!
What's up, little buds? How are we doing? Are we going stir crazy yet? I know I am. Here I have a black t-shirt and shorts. Rest in peace, Hannah Montana. May she live forever in our hearts. These outfits are really simple. I'm just chilling at the house and not going anywhere. That plant's new and I'm not used to the height yet. I might have to move it because it's pretty low, but this is the first outfit, just black and white. So it looks chic still, but it's t-shirt and basketball shorts. Next one, weekend studio. So I noticed that with these outfits, I kind of gravitate towards graphic tees. It's just a little interesting. Don't mind the dance. I don't know what the hell I was doing. Hit the plant again. Still not used to it. Whatever happens. I'm giving myself permission to be ugly because that dance was fucking ugly. Who gave me permission to do that? I don't know, but just so you guys know, if I'm ugly in the future, don't let it be a surprise to you because you might get that a lot. So, just a disclaimer, there you go. You can also add a hat to anything. I tried to make these outfits able to like go out in public a little bit if I had to, so they're still chill, but I could also run errands in these. Please wash your hands, guys. I shouldn't have to say this, you should already know, but help us flatten the curve, get back out there, wash your hands, keep everyone safe, you know, the whole spiel at this point. And last outfit, my favorite hoodie. Guys, you should always tie the strings on your hoodies. It just makes them look a little bit more elevated than not doing it. So I recommend doing it. It just has little chair babies on the front and the back, and then it's really LA inspired, so you know I love that. And yeah, this is the final look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.